We're here now at Central Kids Kindergarten in Putaruru. We do our education sessions here and we do our cooking sessions here. Kia ora, my name is Doreen Flavel. I'm a kaimahi at Ora Charitable Trust for the Te Tuapapo Te Ora Māra Kai Programme. The program is an 8-week program provided by Ora Charitable Trust. We start you off growing your Māra Kai in a planter box. We provide all the resources for that, which is the soil, the plants, the education around that, and we deliver it to you free at your home. And then we move into the cooking part of the program. So affordable meals on a budget, and then from there we do a vision board session, which is your future planning, where you want to go, where you see yourself going after that. When we start the cooking sessions, we always give them the recipes to take home to be able to cook them once they get home. They come back and they said, oh, my family love that recipe, they love that kai. If you're interested in joining, you can contact us on 0800 Raukawa or info@raukawa.org.nz.